Hi SocialPost viewers, this is Rakesh from Slam Fitness, Jubilee Hills Road number 10. It's a newly opened gym. You can come down and see our facilities. We have cardio section, strength training area and CrossFit area. So you can come down and check out once. Right, now today's topic is how to lose belly fat quickly. Okay, if you are an individual who is looking for spot reduction, means like a particular body part fat reduction, means it's not possible, sorry to say this. Okay, then again, so how to lose the fat, if you ask me, so I can suggest you to do exercise. Okay, exercise is the best way to lose body fat. And one more thing, you can't target only one particular body fat like belly area and keep doing crunches or leg raises or hitting it hard. In that way you can't lose the body fat. So you might hit that muscle hard and that muscle will give soreness for you next day or day after tomorrow. Okay, then diet, when it's come to diet also will help you to lose fat, but your main source of losing fat will be your exercise formula only. Okay, so how fat will get accumulated in belly area, so that also I will tell you. So fat is prone to get accumulate in inactive muscles. So when the muscles are inactive or stretched for a long time, those muscles are prone to get accumulated by fat cells. Okay, now how men will get accumulated by fat. Okay, if you are men, okay, in human body, if you are a men, okay, how you will get fat accumulation means there are cat areas. There are some areas called cat areas. C for chest, A for abdominal, T for thighs. Okay, so these are the three areas men will get fat accumulation. Parallelly, if you see women, okay, tat areas we call it as T for triceps, A for abdomen, T for thighs. So these are the areas men and women will get fat accumulation. Okay, so how to get rid of this? So I have a point by point suggestions for you guys. You can take a look of this. Point is stabilize your core muscles, front, back and side. Point number 2, train your core muscles individually at least 3 days per week and 30 minutes per day. Right. Try to include deep breathing exercises in the early morning, which is very good. Right. 4th point, try to avoid sedentary times in your real time. So when you are in office or when you are in your lounge, okay, try to avoid those sedentary time. Sedentary means inactive time in your lifestyle, right? Then 5th point, try to maintain upright posture. Upright posture means like keep your spine straight and chin up. And if you are walking or if you are talking to someone or if you are sitting in the table or desk working in front of laptop, try to maintain upright posture, so that helps your core to be more active. Okay. Then 6th point, try to include overall body weight cardio exercises in your workout regimen. Okay, if you are looking for body fat reduction, means weight loss or something, you must not do only weight training or you must not do only cardio. You should mix match both, and one day at least a week you need to do body weight exercises which helps you to mobilize your body as well as burn more calories in your workout, right? Then try to do stretching exercises for abdominal muscles and hip flexors muscles. Hip flexor is like when you are flexing your hip, there is a muscle get activated here. So those muscles also will get tight. So if you develop a belly fat, big belly fat, so those muscles will get shrunk. And your abdomen muscles, if there is no proper blood flow, that muscles also will get accumulated by your fat, right? So try to stretch your abdomen muscles and your hip flexor muscles, right? Then 8th point, try not to binge while eating. Okay, so when you eat food, so keep mindful eating. Please do not eat more food at one single time. Okay, try to divide that food into 3 or 4. Try to have frequently, not at the same time. 9th point, try to consume fiber-rich foods. Fiber-rich foods means like vegetables, more of vegetables, fruits, like that you try to consume, right? Then your 10th point, try to avoid fat burning pills and slimming belts. So these are a fancy way to lose weight, they say, but it doesn't work. Okay, your main focus should be your exercise and your diet. Thank you.